Hello guys, how are you? So as you know, I decided to I make video every day uh, for growing my communication skill, for growing my speaking skills, and I want fluency in my English. So that I decided that, and today is my fourth day. So I choose. Today I am talking about consistency. If I talk every day, consistent, definitely I grow and definitely I speak fluently. If I am decided to I speak 1 hour today, but when I skip second day, third day, and we speak 4 day 1 hour, and we then also a gap a few days, so then that is not good, and we did not learn how to speak English. And if we do consistent speaking in our way and our language in English, so we definitely uh, learn how to speak in English, how to get fluency in our uh, how to get fluency in English. So that's all about fluency. And as you also know, if I am starting from I think 2 or 3 days ago, because today is my fourth day to speak in English. Though I try to speak consistently, and I decided I did it 1 year approx. So then we compare after 1 year what we will see growth in my tongue. And I am also want to speak with you. I started English classes from Deepak Sinha sir 2 months before, but some reasons I skipped this. So when I skip this, so I learn few things at that time, but when I skip this classes, though I stuck in my growth. After 1 month, I see I did not grow my speaking skills. I did not grow my fluency in English. So I decided I learn and I speak every day in English with my camera, because it's motivates me. When I see my old videos, when I see my recent videos, how I speak in English, so it is a very important for see how I stuck. So guys so guys, if you are new in my on my growth channel, so please subscribe my channel for supporting me. And when I see your subscribes increase on my channel, I am very motivated to do these things and speak, and it helps me to motivation. It helps me to uh, make more video in English language, because in my career I want growth. So I see most of the companies want English speaking, and most of the position, uh, ba- good position like managers, like regional managers, RSMs, and like TLs are also want in a fluency English, uh, their post requirement. And I am recently also thinking about the data analytics course. So in this data analytics course also I want English, because without English I did not uh, compete with other persons in job. And if I learn if I speak fluency in English, so I work a freelancer also. when i learn uh, when I learn data analytics, I connect with the world. I connect with the Britain company, a European country. And as you know, if I want earn more money in data analytics, so I want to learn fluency in English, and connect with American companies, because American countries pay more. That's all about myself. So please subscribe my channel and uh, follow. Okay, thank you.